Hi, this is Washabi. This is another long-term review. This is on the Disney Parks Authentic Gears Link Mickey Mouse watch, which is an automatic watch. Now, this particular watch, I got it when I was in Disney World. So, it is a rather large watch, as you can see. It has a skeleton dial, uh, which has a at 12 o'clock you can see there's a hidden Mickey at 12 o'clock marker. Automatic movement, Chinese movement, water resistance is only 50 meters. Its watch face is about 44 millimeter stainless steel with bracelet, and it is said to be made in USA, although the movement is Chinese. It's a Chinese movement. uh, Lug width, now as you can see, the lug width is huge. It's not 24, but it's actually 26, and it tapers down to 22 right here at the end. So this is a very, very thick watch. But I suppose when I bought this about more than 10 years ago, uh, it is actually a design that is very American like, the big style, very thick bracelet kind of design, which a lot of people like at that point of time, not now. But whatever it is a watch that is really cool. I'm actually quite happy with it because it was bought in Disneyland, or Disney World, sorry. So I was actually quite happy that I actually bought this one. Now, but as far as the brand is concerned, I've been doing some research, and I believe when I did a search, when I was looking at the reference number, the reference number that you can find at the back of the case of the display case back. As you can see, the display case back is actually quite intricate, especially the roto. There's some designs and all that jazz. But when I was actually looking at the reference number that was given at the back was TY2807SV. I came upon something from a brand called Armitron, Armitron, which is a watch that you can actually find from Walmart. That watch was actually retail price at USD 76.74. Now, when I bought this watch in Disneyland, it was twice that price. So I suppose possibly that this watch it has Amitron is the OEM for Disney, and because of the Disney linkage, they're able to mark it up by 100%, which is, I think, um, not unexpected. But if you find out about it, you will be disappointed the fact that that you have paid huge premium for a watch that you could have actually gotten for half the price. But then again, I was more inclined to purchase it because of that Disney linkage. So I suppose this is something that I got to live with. Very simple, only three hands, nothing else. Automatic movement, but you can hand wind it if you wanted to. Everything is stainless steel. The bezel is fixed. The bezel is also polished. As you can see, I have a slight scratch here after all these years, which is actually quite impressive. I would expect that this would suffer more scratches over the years that I've owned it. But there's a very fine scratch just below the 40. The numbers on the bezel is actually cut into the bezel itself and painted. So that's something that will actually retain the various numbers that they've actually put on here. Um, but what makes it really, really interesting is that I don't know why, but I just realized that shouldn't this be a 10? But it looks like it has been cut like a 70. 70, 20. Weird, isn't it? Right? It's really weird. Shouldn't it be 10? But I don't know why. There must be a problem with the cut. So it's actually a unique. So I'm not sure whether this is something because when I was looking at the of uh, the photos, I don't think I found anything interesting or justification why this is supposed to be a 17 instead of a 10. Maybe it's just the font, but it's quite a surprising thing. um, I have honestly, it's only painted white. I don't think there's any strong lume on this particular watch. But if you want to know more, I will give you a link in the description below, and you can actually read it. So anyway, but this is a huge watch. It is a heavy watch, you know. So it's something that I seldom wear. I just wear it just for the fun of it, just to remind me of my trip to Disney World. But it's not something that I would actually wear often. As you can see, it is a very heavy that you can see even like it drips below, and this is like it's very loose, it's not tightened, but you can see it pushes the skin down, so it tells you it is a very heavy watch. Anyway, thumbs up, please follow the channel, more reviews coming up. Bye bye for now.